alongside that of Burkina. The ceremony is presided over by the head of state, who reaffirmed the irreversible march of the Confederation towards independence and sovereignty. We then invite you to listen to the President of FASO.
Thank you for coming this morning for the special flag-raising day of the AS Confederation. I wish you all a very good month of March, a good month of Ramadan, and a very good week. I would also like to pay tribute to our fighting forces, who continue their mission and advance with honor on the battlefield. I take this opportunity to congratulate the organizing committee of the event, which took place last week, the FESPACO. Congratulate all the participants who spared no effort to ensure the security of these events, which went very well. Thank everyone who traveled to Ouagadougou. More than 53 nationalities were present in Ouagadougou for this celebration. I think it was also an opportunity to show all those who wanted to make the world believe that Burkina was an unlivable country. They came to bear witness and to debunk all those lies. So, we can only thank all the festival goers who traveled to Ouagadougou, and we hope that everyone has already returned, safe and sound in their country. For those who are still here, let them enjoy some tourism and return in good health to their respective homelands. Today, we solemnly raise the flag of the AES Confederation to say that the AES continues on its path. We face difficulties, but we continue to build little by little towards what our peoples aspire to. At the beginning, people mocked us. We were ridiculed because three countries, in their view, poor uniting would lead to nothing. But we continued on our path, and today I think they realize clearly that we are achieving something that some do not wish to see, but that some also have not managed to accomplish. That's how it is when you try to break the mold to revolutionize your life. People will always see you as ridiculous. They will mock you, but eventually they will realize that you were right. I think today, looking at international and even sub-regional geopolitics, for those who are enlightened, they will understand that the AS was right to take this path. For those who do not want to wake up, we cannot do anything for them. They will always remain in their slumber, but we will continue to evolve. So we hope that through this solemn ceremony, all friends of Burkina Faso, friends of the AES, can understand that we remain open to all those who want a partnership. Sincere, respectful. The AES will thus be a welcoming land and we will be able to collaborate. But those who come to exploit us or to have a partnership that we deem inappropriate, who come to violate our sovereignty, our independence, let them understand that we will not be ready to welcome them. We will continue our journey because difficulties help to shape us. Difficulties make us strong. The AES was born in blood and sweat. It will continue its path for the happiness of the Sahel's people. I wish that everyone can, through their daily actions, ensure that the revolution we have started can be the right and the best one that can inspire all of Africa to unite. When I take the case of Burkina Faso, we have tried many things and we will continue to undertake many things, but it has not always been easy. Our only crime perhaps is trying to revolutionize our healthcare system, for example. To equip our hospitals, to build modern hospitals. Perhaps our crime was wanting to revolutionize our medical system. To build schools to standards, to change our curricula. Our crime perhaps is having allowed our farmers to have cheaper fertilizer, to plow their fields for free, so that we can achieve food self-sufficiency. Or perhaps our crime is wanting to build road and rail infrastructures, so that our people can move around. In short, everything we try to do, I think some have always tried. Unfortunately, the Salon slaves, the Africans who blindly follow the imperialists, have tried to discourage us. There is no reason to be demotivated. Because history has always proven us right, and history will continue to prove us right. Today, so many things grow on our soil. When we initially announced that we wanted to embark on this agriculture, they thought we were crazy. They said it wouldn't work. Today, our cocoa is doing very well. Sunflowers are doing very well in Burkina. Our wheat is doing very well. In short, there are so many crops we have tried, but they tried to discourage us. And I hope that you can never be discouraged in your daily tasks to revolutionize your lives. And it must be this way for everyone to say that Africa must understand that we have the potential to be self-sufficient, to be independent, to be sovereign. This battle will continue within the AS, and we will continue to join hands and unite. Long live a united and prosperous Africa. Long live the Sahel, united, free, in peace and prosperous. Long live Burkina Faso. May God bless our home.